what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Keegan's Kitchen. And for today's recipe, I'll be making an easy, super delicious baked yellowtail snapper. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's jump right into the video. Alright, so this is what I'll be using for my seasoning today, Seafood Magic. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to add your oil. I'll be using some extra virgin olive oil. Not too much. Alright, so once your oil is hot, you want to add your onion, bell peppers, some more bell peppers, some yellow bell peppers, green onion, green apple, and we're just going to mix this around. Alright, time to add some garlic paste. And then we're just going to caramelize everything together. It's smelling so good right now, guys. Really good. I'm also going to add some thyme. And then we'll give it one final stir. Make sure everything is nice and brown. Alright, and finally we're going to add a little bit of sugar, a little bit of cane syrup, a little extra sweetness. Alright guys, so after baking your salmon for 30 minutes, this is what it should look like. Nice and juicy.